What notebook would you like more? The one in my right hand or the one in my left hand? I think both are nice. Yes, ready to start a new semester, ready to start to write, school notes, maybe a letter for your girlfriend or boyfriend. That's good. But my question is, are you aware of how many trees are there, to do this? According to the journal El Siglo de Torreón, 50,000 of trees are cut down every day to make notebooks or books. And 2 million of tons of paper are wasted every year. We need to teach the children how to use paper because children are the person who most waste paper. Teenagers too, when they make airplanes or things like that. It's worrying, but well, but guess what? There exist certain methods to avoid this situation, or at least reduce this problem. One of these is recycling. When you are ready to start a new semester, it is not necessary you to buy new notebooks. One advice that I give to you is you start to recycle. Because imagine, imagine when you are walking on the street and the sun under the sun rays, your skin is burning at midnight, at midday. Well, your only choice to look for shelter or something like that is the shadow of a tree. But guess what? The tree is dead because of to make this. Well, it is important you recycle because the world is reaching the end. We are on time to do this. We are on time to recover these beautiful trees, green. Well, maybe some are younger, maybe some are older. But the reality is that we have to be aware about the loss of trees. The trees are the lungs of our planet. Because of them, we can get oxygen to breathe every day. Well, according to the situation, I'm persuading to you, you start to recycle. Don't buy new notebooks, please. We are on time to save our world.